In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp you cannot send message to the group because you are no longer a member problem on WhatsApp. You can solve this problem, then you can follow the step. When you can see the error, you cannot send message to this group because you are no longer a member on WhatsApp. It means you have been removed from the group or the group no longer exists for you. Group admin may have manually removed you or you can left accidentally. You cannot send message unless re-add. Then you can solve this problem, then you can follow the step. Step 1. Confirm the status. Open your WhatsApp application, then go to the group. Then tap on 3 line, tap on group info. Then you can see you are no longer a member in this group. If you cannot see it, you are no longer a member. Step 2. Contact the group admin. Contact group admin and ask the admin to re-add you to the group. Only admin can re-add someone who has been removed. Refresh your WhatsApp application. Step 4. Open Play Store and update your WhatsApp application latest version. From here, you make sure your WhatsApp apps is updated. If your WhatsApp apps is not updated, then update your WhatsApp app. Step 5. Backup your chat and uninstall WhatsApp application and again reinstall your WhatsApp application. Then you can solve this problem. In this video helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel.